Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Outlook folder not showing. Open your Outlook app to see that the folders are not visible. To fix it, go to the View menu. There, click on Layout, and then in the Folder pane, select the option Normal. Now you can see your folders in Outlook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.